quick guacamole, easy to make, relatively low calories, 256 calories, and you can make it in about 5 or 6 minutes. 1 whole peeled avocado, lemon, red capsicum, shallot, coriander, and a wee bit of chili. You can use Tabasco or sweet chili. Finely slice the white part of the shallot as fine as you can. Dice up the red capsicum, again as fine as you can. Chop up however much chili you feel like. Use hot chilies if you can. Coarsely chop the coriander. Squeeze 1 lemon in. And crudely mash it up. It's that simple. So this is 256 calories, quick and easy to make, lasts about 3 days in the fridge.